Hi, my name is Christopher Toomey, and I'm a paralegal here at Amazon Sellers Lawyer. I wanted to reach out to all the sellers in the Lisbon area. I'm going to be in Lisbon from September 2nd to September 6th. If you feel like meeting for a coffee and discussing your Amazon issues, please feel free to reach out. My number is 212-321-5080. Look forward to meeting you guys.
AmazonTrainingCenter.com. It's where we are hosting our first on-demand course. It's all about how to build value into your Amazon-based business, either to grow it on your own or to grow it with the anticipation of selling it. So today what I'm going to be talking to you about is how to make your P&L statement, your profit and loss statement, how to make it look better to acquiring companies without doing anything shady. Okay, I'm not talking about two sets of books. I'm talking about making the P&L statement look better via legitimate means. So, you own the company, you draw certain benefits. Maybe the business is paying for your car, your cell phone, dinners out, travel. Well, on the P&L statement, you are writing off all of those costs as part of a business expense. And I wholeheartedly believe, even though I'm not a tax guy, that those are entirely legitimate. But after the closing, whoever buys your Amazon-based business or brand is no longer going to have to pay for your Mercedes or the extra week on your vacation. They may even be able to replace the services that you provide to the company with a lower paid employee. So what that does is it makes your P&L statement look better by pointing out to the acquiring company that these costs will no longer exist because you will no longer be with the company. This is just one of the topics addressed at the AmazonTrainingCenter.com in the very first course that we have. It is on demand. You can watch it as often as you want. You can watch it when you want. So please, if you want to learn how to grow the value of your Amazon-based business or brand, please check out the Amazon Training Center at AmazonTrainingCenter.com.